When you choose a positive mind, you choose a good life. I'm Brian Withers, empowerment coach, trainer, and author. Well, I had a note from somebody who has watched my videos, been here on YouTube for quite some time. And every so often they send a note to give me an update on how things are progressing with what they learn in the videos and how they've changed the way they think about things and how that's reflecting in their life. And that's, of course, what I talk about. When you change your energy, when you change the story, when you change the way you think about things, you change the way you think about yourself and others, then with that higher vibration energy, you see, your world just has to reflect that. That is a law of the universe. We are energy beings, and when the energy coming out of us is of that high vibration nature, then the law of attraction brings us back what matches that. And of course, that's all those details that our inner being sets up, because it knows all the things that we want. And so a positive mind is where your good life is. And it's just an all-day thing, no particular reason. But if you're thinking about your dreams or your past or somebody in your life or your job or traffic or money, and it doesn't matter what it is, whatever is in your mind, that you have a positive feeling, attitude towards it, perspective on it, and that flow of energy is what changes your life. So I wanted to include this note that this person had sent to me, and it's a great way just to see how all of this works in terms of our energy. And it's nice to hear a real life story, to see the transformation that happens with that. And so here it is. So the person says, I watch here and there to stay on track. Currently writing this comment from my newly purchased apartment with a stunning view from the top floor, which I wrote you about. Amazingly, that every moment here, I feel exactly the same I felt when I was dreaming about this flat in my imagination. And I knew that it was on the way. Now I'm getting ready to go to my workplace at the State University and give a lecture to my lovely students. All the spheres of my life are so wonderful. There is growth and love and joy and lots of gratitude to my journey. I wrote some comments under your videos describing my journey, and what is more precious, there are even some half a year or maybe a year ago where I was full of doubts, and one of your answers I remember to this day. Why do you think you can't have anything you want? That was a turning point. Now I have everything that I want, and more is on the way. I feel very powerful and complete, like this world has nothing to give me, and this is when it gives me everything. But I'm still humble and often become very emotional when I see how beautiful our world is and how amazing people are. My heart is full of love. So the transformation is crazy, and I just have been doing and do till this day what you teach people. And I use my imagination fully and trust it like no tomorrow. Thank you, my dear friend. Tons of blessings to you. So this is a very real story, and it's exactly the way that it goes when we transition our mind into those better feeling thoughts about everything in our life and ourselves and other people and everything. And we know our dreams are there for us. Contrast causes us the asking. And, we just get that feeling that everything that we can have, anything that we want to have. There's no doubt about it whatsoever. It's just the way that this universe is set up for us to live joyous expansion. So you could see that this person, in choosing a positive mind, now they're living their good life. But they had to change the mind first. They had to change the energy first, and then the good life caught up, right? And so that's the thing you got to realize, is that that's the way it works in terms of changing the momentum. And also that when you do want something, there's a journey, there's a path that leads you to it. And that's where so much of the joy of life is. And we came to savor that path. It's not something we want to happen fast. I know there were some comments in one of my last videos about, why couldn't we expect a radical change in 5 minutes, that our life could go from one thing to the other. And it's just a misunderstanding. Why would we want to do that? We didn't come for that. We came for the things that we want and the experiences that we want, but we came for that beautiful journey, that nice, pleasant, joyous journey of the path that brings us together with people and resources and ideas and all those things. We don't want to miss that. That's the real joy of life. It would be kind of like going to a food buffet and saying, okay, I just want to rip through all this buffet and get right to the dessert bar, right? But you don't want to do that. There is so much beautiful stuff in there, and you want to savor it all along the way till then you get to that final place of what the buffet is all about. So this person is a wonderful demonstration of how you start to transition your mind into that more natural, high vibration thinking way of things, perspectives, yourself, your dreams, all that stuff. And as you make that transition within you, in your thought energy, that your life starts to catch up. You change the momentum, and then your life starts to catch up physically. And this person has completely demonstrated this and is living this. And as they say now, it's getting better. It's not just, I'm here at this final destination where it's all good and happily ever after. No, it's happily ever expanding. You see, there's more to come, and more to come, and after that, more to come. It's just that way that life is, of joyous expansion, and we fully appreciate and savor and enjoy where we are as we have the things that we have, no matter what it is, and then that in that energy, we're opening the door for the receiving of even more and more and more. And it's a beautiful thing to know that that's the way that life works, and it's a beautiful thing to see that happening for people now more and more as they're understanding and learning how life really works. So just some little images on the bottom here, just to sort of support this message that I've read to you and how life works. If you are entertaining a good deal of doubt and worry and fear and just low vibration, negative feeling thoughts in your day about different things, you have all that kind of emotional energy, and you're only really riding maybe 40% positive, let's say, or maybe in some situations of your life even less than that. But your high vibration output is low. You're really having your mind in places that don't feel good, and so your life is more about lacking of the things that you want. And the daily life tends to be a rodeo ride version on planet Earth, right? And more of that than the other. Right, but then we transition and we start to move our mind up so that we reach upwards of 90% or better of our day in that positive feeling thought energy. And as we're doing that, we're making that transition, things will start to catch up in our life. The flow will change and everything. But certainly once we get there, and we've been there for a while, then we've got that positive feeling energy. Our beliefs, any faulty beliefs, are being rewired in the process of being in that positive feeling, present moment thought energy. And then your life, it's the same planet, but it transforms into sort of the celebration version of life, the joyous expansion version of life. And that's all it took to really make that transition. It wasn't going into the world. This person did not go into the world. You didn't hear them write about all the things they went and did to make their life change. What you're hearing is a person who went inside of themselves and changed the way they thought about things. They changed that energy, the projection, and then their life had changed. So this is the way you do it. This is how it works. This is how you transform your life. So we know we grew up with a lot of faulty beliefs, thought patterns that are negative feeling, and it's the awareness that has happened and what that causes, which is that kind of rodeo ride lack of life, of the things that you want in life. And now in the awareness of that, then you start making the transition to the natural ways of thinking about things, seeing how life is serving you, and processing everything from that perspective, knowing the wholeness and the goodness of who you are and how good life is for you and how it's all set up for you and everybody on this planet. And you start saturating your mind and pointing it in that direction and staying there through your day on all matters. No matter how things look presently, you still find the ways to be in appreciation and gratitude, and you're finding the positive aspects, and you're looking forward to what's coming. You're knowing, you're starting to learn, and you're knowing from the contrast that more things are on the way that you really want, and the receiving is all in that high vibration energy. So when you choose a positive mind, and you choose it because you know, you learn about the creative process and how this whole universe is set up to support a beautiful, flowing human life experience, and you start to think from those perspectives of abundance and everything else, when you're choosing that positive kind of feeling mind, then what you're essentially doing is you're choosing a good life, because you're changing the energy projection from inside of you, and when you change that, then your life has to change to match it. Okay, so that's the video for today. Wanted to share that story and how it all relates to everything I teach here, and you can see it in real time, living color, and this is it. So enjoy your day. Thanks for listening in. If you have any questions, leave them on the post.